Hi guys, today I'm going to share my experience visiting Catacombs of Paris. It's an underground place about 65 feet deep, which holds the remains of more than 6 million people in small part of tunnel. It's a must-visit place on your tour of Paris. Just make sure to wear walking shoes, as you'll have to climb up and down a lot of stairs. The first part of the experience is spiral staircases. There are about 112 stairs to climb down and back up. Just follow the signs once you're finally finished the stairs. You can purchase the ticket from the website. I have put the link in the description. There are several sites online which had no tickets available as I wanted to purchase for the next day, and their official site I was able to get it without any issues. You can get the e-tickets which you can scan at the entrance. There's a security check upon entrance too. Ticket is about 27 euros for adults, which you can book online, and 5 euros for kids between the age of 5 to 17 years old, which you can pay at the catacombs. You get auto guide too, which you can watch and hear while you're passing by different parts of catacombs. Um, and you can see the walls and the ground. It feels like a cave. Um, the tunnel is thought to cover around 2,000 acres beneath the city, but only small part is explored and open to the public. As you might expect, there's a lot of buried history here. Catacombs were not always a global attraction. They first opened to the public back in 1800s, I think 1809 to be exact. And again, that was by appointment. Before the French Revolution, the catacombs were used for burial grounds to limit the spread of disease that arose from overcrowded cemeteries in the 1700s. And the solution was to move the remains far underground. You will see one of the larger rooms full of arrangements of skulls. These underground tunnels have remained a storied part of Paris history. During World War II, the resistance held meetings there as well. It's about 1 mile of the underground tunnel that the visitors cover, and it's about 1 hour long visit. As you can see, it's a mind-boggling amount of bones and skulls of millions of people neatly packed along the walls. The surface is uneven and can be slippery, and it's not wheelchair accessible, just so you know. I also heard before going there that it's not suitable for kids, but I took my kids, 7 and 5 years old, and had no issues. Um, I mean, it is kind of scary, but not that scary. So I mean, kids can visit. We did not experience any issue. A maximum of about 200 people are allowed in the tunnel at a time, and queues can be huge when the queue extends beyond a 20 minutes wait. It might change, with the season, but that's how it was when I went there. Um, and then you'll be handed a coupon with a return entry time later that day if the queue is very long. The last entry is at about 7:30 p.m. Again, that might change, at different times of the year. As I mentioned earlier, bag searches are carried out to prevent the visitors from taking bones. You can't even put a backpack on your back because we had one and we were told to hold it in our hands instead, because it prevents visitors from taking the bones. I mean, that's the way it is there. And then upon the exit, there's a gift shop that you can visit. Um, that's an interesting shop, so it's a must visit. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe our channel for similar videos in the future. Thank you.